All right, exciting day over here. So my wife's new motorcycle helmet has arrived, and I'm not going to do a full review because we just got it. I'm just going to do an unboxing, kind of tell you what we picked. I shouldn't say I, she, we picked, and then we will later do an actual review video at some point after she's had some time to use it, and I may even do a comparison video because this is the first premium motorcycle helmet that I or she have ever purchased. She's currently using an HJC helmet. It's kind of I don't want to say it's a low-end helmet, but it's, a sub $200 helmet, so probably a low-end helmet. This is a premium brand helmet. It was not cheap. It was, just under $800. So in my opinion, that's a lot of money for a helmet. So let's unbox it and I'll show you what we got. All right, so it showed up FedEx. We bought it from Cycle Gear, by the way. We did look at a couple of helmets at our local Indian dealer, and my wife has a small head. She's an extra small. And so she tried on a couple of helmets at our local Indian dealer, a couple of premium helmets too. She tried on the Shoei Neotech helmet, which is, a pretty expensive helmet. It's got a lot of good reviews, but she just didn't feel like she liked it. She didn't like the fitment of it. She tried on an Arai, I don't know how you pronounce it. She tried on one of those. She didn't like it. She tried on another HJC, and we ended up ordering it in her size because she's in an extra small. But we ended up ordering that, and before we actually picked it up, we decided to go to Cycle Gear and check out some other brands. And she saw a helmet that she liked, but they didn't have her size, so we decided to go online and order it. And then when I ordered it, we decided to, rather than order the one that she liked at the store, we decided to order the next step up. So we decided on a Schuberth helmet, German brand helmet, and it arrived pretty well packaged. So she initially was looking at the C3 Pro when we were at the Cycle Gear store that's near us. And we were gonna order the C3 Pro, and then we realized that they had a C5, and so we looked at a couple of those, and after looking at some of the features and reviews and stuff, we decided to go with the C5. We haven't actually seen this one in person yet, so let's open it up and see what we have here. So it comes boxed, it comes with, let's see what this is. It comes with a quick start guide. All right, here's what we got going on here. Safety instructions, quick start guide. This is the C5, and I'll go through that later, but we'll put this here for now. Let's take this out, and it comes in a bag. Like most helmets, it comes in a bag. So let's see, the C5 is the one that comes, I don't know if the C3 does, but the C3 Pro, but this one comes like pre-wired for a comms unit, and it's plug and play. But this is a premium helmet. Oh, it's nice, the color's nice. So we went with, my bike's blue, we went with a blue color. It's like a flat matte blue. Oh yeah, this feels really nice. I can see why she liked the Schuberth helmet. The padding feels really, really premium. And I can see why she wanted that after she tried on the C3 Pro, why she decided to cancel the order for the HJC and check out the Schuberth instead. So unlike the HJC, which is just the typical buckle style, this has the ratchet style. My new helmet that I have has a ratchet style also. I like it a lot. Wow, this is really nice. The padding, let's see if we can get in close there, but I don't, yeah, the padding is just a really premium feeling pad. So anyways, this is the new helmet. It's a modular. She wanted a modular. You know, it's just, she's been wanting one for a long time. And so this one has, you know, it's obviously got this, but then it's, where is the button? Here it is, I think. It's got the shield, drop down shield visor. And so my understanding about the way this works is this, so there's a comm system by Senna, and this here is for the battery pack. I guess this little door pops up, the battery pack just plugs right into it, and then this little compartment comes off also, and that's where the, I guess the transmitter, I'm not sure what it's called, but like the control for the Senna comm unit. I've never had a comms unit, so I don't know much about them, but that's where that plugs in, and then it's pre-wired in, yeah, and there's the little thing for the microphone right here. You just pop that off. There you go. And let me see if I can get in close. Right there, the microphone, you just plug the microphone in. It's like a little 1/8" jack. And when you're not using it, you just put the plug back on. But, you know, I'm in the market for a new helmet also. I've never been one for safety on motorcycles. I know it sounds bad. I've been riding since I was 20 years old. I got my motorcycle. I'm 53 now, so I've been riding 33 years legally with a license. And I rode dirt bikes and stuff before that as a kid. So I've been riding a long time, but I've never been one to be safe. I've never been injured. I've never been hurt riding a bike or anything, but I've never been one to gear up and be safe. Like I don't wear a lot of safety gear. You know, I wear jeans and a t-shirt and sneakers. And if I'm in a state that doesn't have a helmet law, I usually don't wear a helmet. I know what you're thinking. It's bad. But now that I have kids, I've been thinking, you know, I've been thinking a little more along the lines of safety lately. My wife, the last couple of years really got into safety. She used to just ride with a helmet and jeans and a jacket, but now a couple of years ago, she decided that she was gonna be safer, and she went out and bought a whole riding suit with, like, you know, padding and stuff in it, and, you know, knee pads, elbow pads, whatever. I didn't pay much attention to it. She likes it. It's like mesh. It's, you know, and she decided she wanted a premium helmet, so here we are. So anyways, this is it. I'm not gonna, obviously this isn't a review because we haven't had time to test it. Hopefully it fits her. She's usually in an extra small on every brand of helmet she's ever tried on. So hopefully she likes it. We'll give it a good thorough testing, and then maybe somewhere down the road, maybe in a couple months after using it, we'll sit down. We have a whole bunch of different helmets. We have this, we have our prior helmet. I have a full face HJC that, you know, it is what it is. I've got a half helmet. I've got a beanie helmet. You know, maybe I'll sit down. That might be a good topic for video, where I'll sit down and lay out all the helmets on the table and go from a beanie helmet to a half helmet to a cheap helmet to a slightly better helmet, all the way to a premium helmet, and compare them all and talk about them all. But, you know, if she likes this one, I may actually go to Cycle Gear myself and try on a modular. I've always wanted a modular for colder weather riding. That's when I usually wear my full face, is in, you know, in the winter. Not in the winter, but in the fall when it starts to get cold. That's when I'll put a full face on. So maybe I'll look into a premium helmet. Maybe I'll get a matching Schuberth, and in my size, and maybe we'll get the comp system. Maybe that would be enough to get me riding a little more safely. But anyways, here's the Schuberth. If you have a Schuberth, drop a comment. Let me know what you think of it. It really looks like a nice helmet, and I'm looking forward to using it and coming back out and telling y'all what we think of it. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. I got a couple ideas in mind for videos, and If you haven't already done so, like and subscribe, share, do whatever. You know, I'm sort of new to this YouTube thing, and I'm getting the hang of it, but coming up with ideas is, I don't know how some of these YouTubers do it, man. They're out here putting videos out every day. My last video that I put up on my Honda Ridgeline, my new truck, did really well. I made like $1,200 in ad revenue since I put that video up a month ago. So I gotta start putting some more videos out, man. I could make this YouTube thing sort of an extra stream of income. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, Schuberth helmet C5. We'll be back to talk about it in another video. Thanks for watching.